What should I do if my zip code card is not working?
Hello there. Are you facing issues with your zip code card not working? Don't worry. This video will guide you through a simple step-by-step process to help you troubleshoot the problem and get your zip code card working again.
What is a zip code card?
A zip code card is typically a card you use in places like postal offices or some banks that require you to enter your postal zip code for verification purposes. They are often linked to your credit or debit card for transactions.
Confirm your zip code.
First things first, you should verify the zip code you're using is the correct one associated with your bank account or the card issuer. This might sound simple, but sometimes it's easy to mix up numbers or forget a new zip code if you've recently moved.
Check for physical damage.
Check your card for any physical signs of damage. Sometimes, the card could have scratches, be bent or dirty, which could prevent it from being read correctly by machines. If this is the case, you may need to order a replacement from your bank or card issuer.
Contact your bank or card issuer.
If you're sure your zip code is correct and there's no physical damage on the card, your next step should be to contact your bank or card issuer directly. They can often check on their end if there's any problem with your card.
Update your address information.
If you've recently moved and haven't updated your address information with your bank or card issuer, your card may not work. Ensure that your card issuer has your most current information, including your new zip code. These are some of the primary steps you can take to troubleshoot a non-working zip code card. Remember, the most important thing is to stay patient and work through the problem systematically. If all else fails, your bank or card issuer will be able to help you resolve the issue. Hope this guide has been helpful for you.